The Coastal Studies programs are a great introduction to being away from home. It's a way for them to experience all kinds of things that they wouldn't necessarily get at school. We just keep coming back for the programs and the people. My husband and I have lived in the Homer Anchor Point area for 15 years now. We have 3 kids that have all been raised on the trails at the Wind Center. We have done the Knee-High Naturalist, Bio Kids, Trackers, we've done the After School SAC program, we've done Beyond Camp across the bay, we've done Reaching for the Sea Stars. We have done, I have no idea how many, but we've done it all, everything that we can with the organization.
I've done a lot of the programs with Coastal Studies, whether it's been up at the Wind Nature Center or at the headquarters or across the bay, but I've done them since I was an infant and haven't stopped.
I have been involved with Coastal Studies for my whole life. I've done lots of the camps and programs. I've done beach cleanups. We go out on the beach and we walk a section of the beach and we just clean up the trash. It's very important to marine animals and birds.
If you're considering doing a program, try it and see what you want. It's worth it.
One of my favorite times was when I saw the fox.
Oh, what kind of fox?
Red fox, I believe.
And if one of your classmates was thinking about doing a coastal studies program, what would you say to him?
It's a good idea to try it.
I have learned so much. I've had so much fun. They're definitely worth looking into.
It's 100% worth it. You'll learn things about the plants, you'll learn things about the animals, you'll learn tracking, survival, basically anything you can think of. I'm going into sophomore year in high school. I'm still not fully decided what I want to do, but it probably something will have to do with the outdoors, with possibly coastal studies.